A little engine movement is normal, but a noticeable vibration when you're stopped can feel like the whole car is annoyed. You're sitting at a light, foot on the brake, and the steering wheel buzzes, the seat hums, or the dash trembles. Most newbies assume it's harmless because the car drives okay. Sometimes it is minor, but often it's the first warning of a problem that will get worse, especially if the vibration changes when you shift into drive, turn on the AC, or put the car in gear. Here are the most common causes and what you can do about them. Cause 1. Engine misfire at idle. A misfire is the #1 cause of a rough, shaky idle. At idle, the engine is barely working, so one weak cylinder makes a big difference. Worn spark plugs, failing ignition coils, vacuum leaks, dirty injectors, or low compression can all cause misfires. The car may still accelerate fine because higher RPM smooths out the imbalance, but at idle, it feels like a washing machine. What to do? Scan for trouble codes and misfire counts if you have a scanner. If the check engine light is flashing, stop ignoring it. Raw fuel can damage the catalytic converter. If plugs are overdue, start there, then check coils, intake leaks, and fuel trim readings. Cause 2. Worn engine mounts or transmission mounts. Engine mounts are basically thick rubber cushions that hold the engine in place and absorb vibration. When mounts tear or collapse, engine vibration transfers directly into the body. A classic clue is vibration that gets worse when you shift into drive or reverse because the engine twists against the mount under load. What to do? With the hood open, watch the engine while someone safely shifts from park to drive with the brake held. Excessive engine movement can point to bad mounts. Mount replacement often makes the car feel new again because the vibration disappears instantly. Cause 3. AC compressor load or accessory belt issues. If the vibration gets noticeably worse when you turn the AC on, that's a strong clue. The AC compressor adds load to the engine at idle. If the idle control system is weak, the engine can stumble. If the compressor is starting to seize or the serpentine belt tensioner is weak, you can also get vibration plus squealing or a burning smell. What to do? Test the vibration AC on versus AC off. Listen for belt squeal clicking or rough compressor noises. If it's only rough with AC on, you may be looking at compressor drag, belt or tensioner issues, or an idle control problem. Cause 4. Dirty throttle body or idle air control problems. On many cars, the throttle body gets carbon buildup. At idle, airflow is very small, so a little buildup causes big instability. Some older cars use an idle air control valve, and when it sticks, idle can hunt or shake. Newer cars often control idle electronically and still suffer from carbon deposits. What to do? If the car idles low, surges, or stalls sometimes, a throttle body cleaning can help. Just don't randomly crank on adjustment screws or reset things blindly. Some cars need an idle relearn procedure after cleaning. Cause 5. Fuel system issues at low RPM. A weak fuel pump, clogged fuel filter on cars with serviceable filters, or dirty injectors can show up most at idle. The engine runs lean, shakes, and may hesitate slightly on takeoff. This can overlap with misfire symptoms, but fuel trim data and pressure testing can separate them. What to do? If you have lean codes, long cranking, or hesitation under load plus rough idle, get fuel pressure checked. Injector cleaning can help in some cases, but you want diagnosis first, not guesswork. Cause 6. Exhaust leak or heat shield vibration. Not every vibration is the engine itself. A cracked exhaust bracket, loose heat shield, worn hanger, or an exhaust leak can buzz at idle and disappear when RPM changes. It can feel like the whole car is vibrating, especially if a heat shield is resonating. What to do? Listen underneath for rattles at idle, especially when you lightly rev the engine. Many heat shield problems are simple fixes, tightening or replacing a clamp or fastener, much cheaper than chasing engine parts. Quick self-test to narrow it down fast. Pay attention to patterns. If it vibrates mostly in drive with your foot on the brake, think mounts or load-related issues. If it vibrates in Park 2, think misfire or idle control. If it gets worse with AC on, think compressor, belt, load. If it's more of a buzz or rattle, think exhaust or heat shield. The bottom line: a car that vibrates at idle is usually telling you one of two things. The engine isn't running smoothly, or the vibration isn't being isolated properly. The fix can be as small as a throttle body cleaning or a loose heat shield, or as important as addressing a misfire. Catch it early, and it's often cheaper. Ignore it, and you might turn a simple rough idle into a bigger engine or exhaust repair later.